I am Claudio Sangaletti, Business Director of Air Separation and LNG Division. CDMI Air Separation Unit's Remote Control Service allows you to start up, monitor and intervene on installations remotely, identify and solve problems without the need for the physical presence of technical personnel, collect and analyze data to identify critical issues in advance, plan maintenance activities efficiently. The main advantages of remote control for SIAD macchine impianti include immediate high-quality services at reduced cost, reduced travel cost and field intervention, environmental sustainability through energy efficiency of the plant, and reduced physical travel by technicians. The ideal customer for this kind of control are those who require autonomous startup of the plant, controlling of the plant from a remote position, and that are based in non-populated areas. The benefits for customers using this service are a high performance of the plant through continuous control and predictive maintenance, and reduced cost due to less intervention of the technicians at site. Professionals involved in remote control management include process engineers, maintenance technicians. Supervision is carried out by experienced personnel who monitor the installation, analyzes the data collected, intervenes remotely to solve any problems. Technology used for the remote control of air separation unit plants include artificial intelligence technologies for predictive maintenance and process optimization, PLC for process control and management, remote connection and virtual access tools, data collection and analysis systems. The remote control service increases the efficiency of the plant, reducing the energy consumption, decreasing the shutdown time, and minimizing the intervention at site. These improvements contribute to the environmental sustainability.